Go to that flat surface. Oh my god.
Hello everyone and welcome back for another Monday video. My friend Tyler came and visited and he really wanted to ride the bird scooters because he was here in LA and it's like a very LA thing. I found out I don't know how to ride a scooter. I was very embarrassed in Venice and Santa Monica because people were literally cheering me on. And so Alyssa is here to help me and encourage me to learn how to ride a scooter. A literal scooter. An electric scooter.
You can do it.
I don't know if I can. Will I be able to do it by the end of this video? Honestly, I say 50-50 shot. I genuinely feel like I'm like you're my mom and like I'm 7. We found an alleyway. Okay. I'm righty, so I guess I do the right thing. Now, it's all about balance, so I've heard. And that's the thing that I can't quite get. This is why I'm in athletic wear, because I can do this fine, and then it's just like, I just gotta keep that.
So put your front foot in at the front of the scooter so that your back foot goes on the back of it, okay?
Can actually do it, okay.
Yeah, see? See?
Okay.
You're closer.
And then, I'm not even putting the gas on it yet.
But try to do it with the gas on now once you've put your back foot there.
Does it work? Okay, it does. Okay.
Put the gas on.
I can't. It's tilted. I need to balance on it first.
Try putting the gas on the minute you put your back foot on it. Here, want to switch? Let me try. I'm scared.
Okay. I don't know how you stay straight.
I just don't do anything. I literally step up and press the gas. Yeah. So you were really close that time. Getting better.
And it's still hard. Oh, I'm sweating. Why am I going to the left? My body. Why? I'm trying to balance myself before I put the foot down. Should I not?
I think just put it straight down.
I really feel like I'm 5. I can't believe you just got up and did it.
You're doing great, sweetie. Yes! Oh my god!
Yay!
Yay!
That was good.
It was really good. Now go back this way.
I was sucking in my core.
Okay.
Hold on. I didn't get the balance that time. Okay. That was so good. How come I
Yeah, you're improving.
can't do that again?
And you know the brake is there, right? On the other side.
This?
Yeah, that's the brake. You pull it to brake so you don't have to just get off. You can slow it down.
Oh, okay.
Oh my god, you did it. You're doing it. Yay! Yes! Yes! Yes!
I was trying.
But that was good.
I was trying, like, if I do get unbalanced on it, like, to rebalance myself on. I don't know why this is so easy for literally everyone else in this world. I feel like I've gotten 30% better. Back to it. 9 a.m. rise and grind. Okay, I'm ready. I'm going. No, I'm not going.
Doing so good. Oh my god, look at her go. I knew you could do it.
I don't know how long this video is gonna be, but this has been a solid half an hour. I've heard that if you want to be an expert in something, I have to devote 10,000 hours to it. This is the first half hour of 10,000 hours. I'm gonna be an expert birder. Like, imagine in like 2 years from now,
Oh
I'm just
god,
like,
you can do everything. You're just like
in a skate park with a bird, like.
I love how you walk yourself around in a cute little circle.
Oh my gosh, this feels so much better.
Brilliant. Brilliant work. Bravo. Ready for the Olympic trial. You can do it. I believe. Oh my gosh, amazing work.
I know.
I'm so proud.
I'm so proud.
That's so good. Go faster. Yeah. Look at her shirt blowing in the wind.
Okay, I'm gonna go this way and around.
Okay.
If I taught you anything today, it was persistence is key. This is the last pass. If it's good, it's good. If it's bad, it's bad. This is it. Better be good, Elizabeth. She's doing it.
She's doing it.
She's doing it, and that's all that matters.
She's doing it. Woohoo!
Please like this video if you enjoyed it. Comment down below if you know how to ride a scooter, if you think I'm absolutely ridiculous. And subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, because I post a video every single Monday. And sometimes they're not me not knowing how to ride a scooter at the age of 23. That was good. I didn't think I was going to be able to do that. All right, I'll see you guys on Monday. Boom, boom, bye.